Hello student, good morning to all. So as you know, today I am going to take lecture of class 10, chapter light. And topic image formation by concave mirror for different position. In previous video, I have discussed about the two cases when the object placed at infinity and second when the object placed between infinity and curvature. It means you can say beyond the center of curvature. So today I will discuss about the image formation when object placed at center of curvature. So this is case first. Case third. Position of object at center of curvature. Now we have to find position of image, nature of image and size of image. So you can draw the ray diagram to find position, size and nature of image. So this is concave mirror. This is principal axis, pass through pole, center of curvature and focus point. Object is placed at center of curvature. This is object AB. So let a ray of light start from point A and travel parallel to the principal axis. These rays of light travel parallel to the principal axis and incident at point M on mirror. Reflection will take place, and after reflection, these rays of light pass through the focus point. Clear? Now, as you know, we have to find image, and image will take place when the intersection of two or more than two rays will take place. The reproduction of object is known as image, which is differ from the real position of object. It means we have to reproduce the object. So we have to take the another ray, let the another ray pass through the focus. And as you know, if ray of light incident on mirror through focus point, then after reflection it becomes parallel to the principal axis. So this becomes parallel to the principal axis. So you can see this is the ray diagram. Ray diagram when object placed at center of curvature. This is object AB and this is A dash B dash. This is image. So you can see the position of image is same as the position of object. It means the image is obtained at center of curvature. What is the nature? So you can see the image, the position is same, but this is inverted. The upside of this is object, this is head. If you can see, this is head of object, but this position comes to the downside. It means this image is inverted, and the image is in front of mirror. So as you know, the image shown in front of mirror is known as real image. So this is real and inverted. Okay. Now we have to discuss about the size of image. What is the size of image? As you can see, the size of object and image is same. So it means the size of image is same size. If the object placed at center of curvature, then the image obtained real and inverted and same size. Okay, so you have to write this third case in your notebook. This is very important, and you have to draw the ray diagram also. Clear? So now I have to discuss about the fourth case. The fourth case, object place position of object between C and F, or you can write object place between center of curvature and focus point. Clear? Between C and F, between center of curvature and focus point. Now we have to discuss about position of image, nature of image and size. So you have to draw a diagram. So let this is concave mirror, this is polished side, this is F and this is C. So object placed between F and C. So let this is object AB. A ray of light starts from point A parallel to the principal axis. This ray travel parallel to the principal axis, incident at point M. Deflection will take place and the reflected ray pass through the focus. Clear? Now we have to take the another ray. Start from the same point. So you can take the ray from the top of this object through center of curvature. These rays of light traveling like this, and it is passed through the center of curvature. So reflection will take place. Okay, or you can take the another ray which pass through the focus. You can draw this diagram once again. Like this is mirror. This is focus point. This is curvature point. Object AB. A ray starts from top. After reflection pass through focus. Clear? Or you can take the another ray. Let this ray pass through the pole. After reflection will take place and this is intersect this ray at this point. You can take the ray that pass through the center of curvature. This is also intersect at this point. So you can take 2 ray or more than 2 ray. There is no problem. In this ray, reflection will take place like this. In this ray, like this, and in this ray is like this. All rays intersect at this point. So this is the position of image. This is B dash and this is A dash. So AB is object and A dash B dash is image. Okay, I can use this. This is image. Clear? This is the ray that take place from the pole. So the position of image beyond C. It means beyond center of curvature. This is center of curvature. Nature in front of mirror, it means real and inverted. And the size larger, or you can say enlarge. Okay, so I hope you understood. So this is the fourth case. The remaining two cases I will discuss in my next video. You have to write in your notebook. Okay, thank you very much.